Hey, what up guys, my name is Han and today I got something special to show you guys. Gaming mouse from Gaming Freak. I'm pretty sure a lot of gamers these days know that this brand has been out there in the market for a while. And most gamers like me tend to look out for the right mouse for our hand to increase our performance in gaming. And today I'm gonna do a quick review for this new mouse. Now for start, it came with 4 types or different design, and all of them has different names. The first one is called the RR2 Medusa. Then we have the RR4 Kratos, RR6 Hades, and RR8 Bane. Now I'm pretty sure you guys notice they are using the names of Greek gods, which is pretty cool for me. Now all of these mouse has the same specification but different design. Let's talk about its features first. First, it has anti-slip surface, which is important to ensure total control and firm grip over the mouse. Now we all don't like when we don't have a firm grip over our mouse, so this anti-slip surface should deal with the problem and making sure our aim or our mouse movement is precise. Second, it has an ergonomic body design, which means doesn't matter what kind of grip you have or using, this mouse fits all of your style. From palm grip, claw grip, finger grip, or any grip, it just fits. But let's not forget that all of this gaming mouse is RGB. Now who doesn't like RGB lighting? It has 16.8 million colors and 5 different modes to choose from. It has its own software where you can control the lighting effect, but it's not available to download yet. But that doesn't mean you can't customize the lighting. Under the mouse there is a dedicated radiant effect button which you can use to change its light effect, so you don't actually need the software to control the RGB lighting. You can just plug in and ready to go. There is one more thing that I like about this mouse, and that is its weight. Now it's not very light or very heavy, it's just right in the middle. That means I can control the mouse with more precise, especially in my aim in FPS game, and mixed with its ergonomic design, woo, you can be a pro gamer in no time. Now that is all for me for this quick review. I'm pretty sure that Gaming Freak has tons of gaming product out there, so feel free to check it out. And let's not forget to check out this gaming mouse too. Go ahead, try it on your own, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna fit you. My name is Han, and I see you guys in the future. Peace.